Hi, welcome to Virtual Employee Autocomplete Interview Series. My name is Anjali. I am Senior PHP Developer at Virtual Employee. Today I am here to answer internet's most searched questions about hiring a PHP developer. I'll also be talking about mobile app development and .NET in brief. So what makes PHP relevant even today? Yes, around 78.9% websites are developed in PHP. WordPress uses PHP. Considering that 34% of websites are built in WordPress, PHP has a strong impression even today. You might not be surprised to know that Facebook still uses PHP, and so does Yahoo, Tumblr, and even iStock Photo. So even today, PHP is highly relevant. What makes PHP a cost-effective option? PHP is cost-effective and highly reliable. You can add a lot of customizations with PHP. In addition, it's secure in comparison to other programming languages, and it does not affect the speed of the site even with heavy customizations. What makes PHP work in WordPress? WordPress is written using PHP as its scripting language. WordPress uses PHP for its processing, including figuring out what URLs to call, what to grab from the database, etc. etc. So you know how much WordPress has been dependent on PHP so far. Does PHP support function overloading and more? PHP supports everything. Yes, of course it does. Function overloading in PHP is used to create dynamic properties and methods. Does PHP support different data types? PHP is developer's best friend, and so is mine. And I myself work with 9 primitive data types. These can be categorized into 4: array, null, resource, and scalar. Does PHP have a future? That's funny. 79% of the websites out there are in PHP. With that strong existence, PHP itself is a future. Does PHP support multi-threading? Yes, it does. In fact, you can create, read, write, even synchronize with workers, threads, and threaded objects. That's the power of PHP. Do you have any exposure to SQL Server? Yeah, I do have experience of 6 to 7 years in different versions of SQL servers. Do you have experience in using AJAX calls? Yes, I do. We frequently use AJAX queries to hit on the server side and get the data as per the requirement of the client. Do you have experience in writing window-based applications? So, I have only web development experience so far, but I'm always up for new challenges. If you have any requirement for window-based applications, I'm up for it too. Do you have experience in jQuery, mobile, or Bootstrap? Yes, I do have experience with Bootstrap. I have worked with various clients and with different domains and projects for Bootstrap. That's it for this part. Stay tuned to Virtual Employee Autocomplete Interview Series for more such questions. If you still have any questions related to PHP that you have in your mind, you can reach us on virtualemployee.com. We'll be glad to answer all your queries, all your questions. We are there for you always. Thanks for watching.